Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to review OmniSitesAI. I tested this tool properly, explored its features, and I'll share my honest experience with you. There are many AI website builders in the market, so I wanted to see what makes OmniSitesAI different. That's why I spent time testing it instead of just reading the sales page. After logging in, this is the main dashboard. From here, you can create WordPress websites, train the AI with business data, and choose the type of site you want to build. What impressed me is how the AI studies the business first. You can upload files, add a URL, or enter details, and the AI builds a site that actually fits that business. You can use OmniSitesAI for affiliate marketing, local business websites, e-commerce stores, or even to start a web agency. This flexibility is what makes the tool powerful. In my opinion, OmniSitesAI is best for beginners and marketers who want speed. You don't need design skills, coding, or a big team to get results. Because I tested this tool properly, I also created a bonus for my viewers. If you get OmniSitesAI through my link, you'll receive my quick start and profit guide for free. In this bonus, I show you step by step how to launch your first AI website and avoid beginner mistakes. This bonus is only available through my link. You can check out OmniSitesAI using the link provided in the description. If you decide to purchase it, you will receive the bonus immediately. Thanks for watching this review. Check the link below, and I'll see you inside.